Dear students, today we'll discuss about sources of misconceptions regarding enlargement and reduction of map and scale. What is the misconception? If a map is enlarged, its scale is reduced and vice versa. That is, if a map is reduced, its scale becomes enlarged. But what are the sources of those misconceptions? First, we have read and we know that a large scale map covers smaller area with more details and a small scale map covers larger area with less details. This is the first source of misconception. And second source of misconception is misunderstanding about the scale itself. Two pairs of words, large scale map and enlarged map or enlargement of map. These are not the same thing. There is some difference between these two. And other is small scale map and reduced map. There is also difference between these two. So let us see what are those differences. First, here you see this is a large scale map in comparison to this one. This small scale map covers a larger area with less details, but this large scale map covers very small area of that small scale map with more details. So this is the difference between large small scale map and large scale map. Now, what is enlarged map? Here is a map which is enlarged 4 times. So this one is the enlarged map. So this is the different from large scale map. Obviously, its scale is larger than this map, yet this is the enlarged map. This word is different from large scale map. Now small scale map. This map is a small scale map in comparison to this one. This cover a larger area of the earth's surface with less details. So this is small scale map, and now let us see what is a reduction of map. Here that same map with scale, this scale is being reduced to 1/4. So this is the reduced map, a reduction of that larger map results to this map. So this is reduction of map. Now second source about misconcept of enlargement and reduction of scale, that is scale misunderstanding about the scale itself. Keep in mind, map scale is the ratio of distance between 2 points on map, that is small d, to the distance between those corresponding 2 points on the earth's surface, that is capital D. So map scale is the small d, that is distance between 2 points on map, and divided by capital D, that is distance between 2 points on earth's surface. Neither this small d is scale nor capital D alone is scale. Small d by capital D is scale. The scale is just a fraction. See here, this small scale map, this small portion of this small scale map is enlarged to this size, and as a result its scale also been changed. Here the scale was 1 is to 100k, and here the scale was 1 is to 20,000 only. So the scale has been changed from 1 by 100k to 1 by 20,000. This fraction is greater than this fraction. So this scale is larger than this scale. This map is enlarged, so scale is also enlarged. I therefore request you, always ask yourself, your teacher, what, where, when, how, and why. And don't stop until you are satisfied.